Okay, guys, so this is my bird Angel, and we're about to cut his wings. So I'm gonna show you how. This is my cousin. Of course, you've seen him from other videos. So show him how to hold the wing.
If this bird stops. Yo, Angel, what? Angel, behave.
I can't. Oh, yo, I don't know how to. Okay, so
Don't cut.
So what you
don't
need to
go
do?
deep. Don't go too deep.
What you need to do is just cut, like, trim it, or just try to cut it like
Slowly, but not too rough.
that, yeah. And try to cut like the four, like these four, the first four. There you go.
That's right, Angel. You're not gonna fly anymore. Your flying days are over. It's for your own good. You've been a naughty angel.
Because
We saw a video.
I saw a video that said that like
The first four
No.
ways are the ones that help it fly the most.
or glide, for glide. So now we're gonna do the other way.
Yo, this looks ratchet as hell.
Like that. Okay, so we're gonna do the other wing.
Oh, now you don't want to jump. There you go.
Angel, that's it.
God in heaven.
I can't. Okay, this one's long.
That's what she said.
So you're gonna wanna cut it like slowly.
But
So-
gently.
Exactly. There you go. There you go, baby. See?
Oh, I felt that one.
I felt that one too. Look, you see how he's taking it so good? Do you see how he's taking it so good?
That's what she said. Oh. Oh, ow! Stop biting me! Stop!
And you're gonna want to do this like when you're
3 times a day.
concentrating. No, when you're concentrating, because you never know. Like you might laugh and then you might over trim him.
Like that.
Like that. All right. Now, if you want, there you go. Let him go.
That's
He
right.
used to
Ew,
fly.
she's on my spit.
No, there you go. Watch. There you go.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So that's my bird Angel, and we're about to get the other bird. And yeah. Oh.
Stop biting! That's what you said. Oh, I poked my neck with this.
Good job. Okay, good job. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Bro.
Go out. Go out. Okay, go out. So I'll see you guys when we